Bird and Kip, Episode 13, The Circus. Bird and Kip were at the circus.
What a great show,
Said Bird.
It sure is,
Said Kip.
I wish I could be in the circus.
Acrobats flew through the air,
That's amazing.
said Bird.
I wish I could do that.
Said Kip.
Wow!
Said Bird.
Look at that!
A tightrope walker walked above the crowd.
I wish I could do that.
Said Kip. A tiny little car drove into the ring. A clown got out of the car. The clown smiled and waved. Then another clown got out. And then more clowns got out,
That's a lot of clowns.
said Bird. The clowns all ran around in circles. They threw pies at each other. They bumped into each other and fell down. Everybody laughed,
Well, Kip,
said Bird.
you could definitely do that.